being 100% honest right now. I'm not sure what this bait's supposed to be or what it's gonna be. I know he's gonna dive down in the water. He's not a swim bait or nothing, but just kind of a random shape I came up with, to be honest. I drew it out and that's what we went with. Guys, I got a name picked out for him. I'm gonna call him the Minion. The reason being is the way his eyes are. His eyes have that Minion look to them. And yeah, so I'm gonna paint him like the Minion colors, some blue, yellow, stuff like that. I'm gonna make him kind of pop, you know. He's gonna have good bright colors to him. But yeah, I gotta sand in the gills some more, make him look a little more symmetrical. And other than that, I'm gonna be super happy with that guy. He is the Minion. Nice shape. Weird looking shape, weird looking lure, but he's different. I'm thinking about taking this tail off and just making the tail wobble a little. Just give him some more character. Cut it like right here. What do you guys think? I think we're gonna go for it, because why not? So I put a little arrow here so I know which one's the top, just so it lines up perfect. That's gonna be a crazy looking guy. I'm gonna kind of round these edges just so we get a little more movement out of it. And might round the back of this, I'm not sure yet. We'll turn him into something. That little slot in his tail. This guy will rest back here like this. He'll be able to move. And I'm gonna put a bristle tail. Never done it before, but we're going to. Guys, this guy is totally giving me the frog vibes. I called him the Minion because of his eyes, but now he's giving me frog vibes. I saved it whenever I did that, man. I was trying to put the little bristles like this in a paintbrush in the end and get them cut and all that, but it just messed up and then I ran out of them. So ultimately I cut down a piece of wood real thin, put it in there, painted it real quick and drew the lines on it. But yeah, look at that. That guy looks great. I love it. And it's gonna be cool seeing this little tail move while he's down in the water wobbling. We're gonna have a hook here, line tie here, and yeah. Let's go ahead and get this guy cleared up really show how beautiful this thing is. I'm liking how this one turned out. He's got some nice color to him. He just looks good. So guys, let's go ahead and get the front line tie, get the hook hangers put in him, and take him to the river. So guys, I'm sure you've seen in that last clip, this lure do some stuff. He finally has some movement to him. And the way he moves in the water, he does this, but he also kind of like, he doesn't roll on his side and lay there like the other one. The other one was just laying on his side and that was it. This one, he wobbles whenever he goes down in the water, he wobbles, but he goes straight, he'll wobble and kind of kick out. He'll go straight, wobble, kick out. So he's got some action to him. And I kind of like it. I like he's got a unique action that I ain't got a lure that moves like him yet. But he will catch fish. And he's got the action that I was looking for. The last one was just kind of going in the water, you pull him, he'd kind of try and do something, then he'd get on his side and just kind of flop. So he looked like a dead fish, just kind of flopping around. But no, I'm happy with him now. And we're gonna be doing a giveaway on him. And yeah, so, you know, this is him. This is the second production of him. Looks the exact same as the other one. Let me grab the other one, I'll show you. Guys, as you can see, this is the other one. This is the older one that was just flopping on his side, and this is the newer one. So two exactly same baits. So yeah, just not to worry, because I know I said I was giving away the lure that I was building, and then I built another one, and you guys probably wouldn't think it's the same, but just so you know, they're two of the exact same, just a clone of it. The only difference is this one doesn't work and this one does work, and I'm happy with the way it works. So without further ado, let's get into this giveaway and see who won this guy. So guys, on this giveaway, I'm going to show you the exact website that I like to use, and we're going to get into it. So what I do is I pull up the video, and then I go over here to pickawinner.co, and I'll just paste my YouTube link video right there. So I'll take this specific video, we'll go ahead and hit share, and I will copy this URL. And now we'll go over here to the YouTube random comment picker. And what this does is it picks a random comment out of our video here. And we've got a bunch of comments. Got all kinds of different comments from different people. So I just really want to say I appreciate each and every one of you. You guys really help the channel here. And you guys don't know how much you really do. So let's go over to paste. Go ahead and get that pasted in. And are you guys ready for this? Who is gonna win the giveaway? I'm gonna go ahead and hit fetch, and it's gonna fetch all of the comments that was commented on the video. It'll tell us how many we have, and we have 79. So 79 people out of what appears to be 487 actually joined the giveaway fully. So what we're gonna do is go ahead and hit pick a winner, and let's see who wins. Alrighty, we've got Lavalley Lures. Yep, lower the weight and spread it out horizontally. It'll swim beautifully. What are you using to draw your templates? Would love to get some digital drawings. I actually responded back to him and told him that I would have some digital drawings on my YouTube. I'd post a link. So I'm gonna find them digital drawings and I'm gonna get them out there for you guys. But yeah, Lavalley Lures, you know, you won, and I will be reaching out to you to get you this lure. Just because I want to say I appreciate each and every one of you. I wouldn't even be doing YouTube if I didn't have the subscribers and different people interacting, but I do appreciate it. And I have made a final decision on the lure giveaway videos. Yes, we are going to be doing lure giveaway videos every video now, from here until I decide not to no more. So the next lure we're giving away is actually the build we're doing right now. And, you know, all you got to do to join is like, comment, and subscribe. You know, subscribe to the channel, like the video, and comment below. Yes, we're doing another giveaway. So guys, this here is the next lure giveaway. And he is a topwater. I want him to be a topwater bait. I want this part of him to just sit down in the top of the water and this to kind of sit down below it. And I'm thinking this tail's just gonna go crazy. The tail does not have any weight in it at all. The only weight is in the main body here. The tail is just there kind of just for some more action. So I'm really thinking that tail is gonna go crazy. But if you guys wanna win this lure, like, comment, and subscribe, just like we did on the last giveaway. And that's how we're gonna do these. But look at the colors on that guy. I put a little glitter in him. You can kind of see him there. But yeah, I'm super happy with this bait. Super happy how he turned out. Now let's see if I'm happy with the swim test. I think that'll be a great little topwater bait. He's got a nice little wiggle. That tail does stuff. And he wobbles really well. Kind of sits like we want him to. Creates that topwater action. You can kind of jerk him a little like that. But what I like to do is just one easy motion, kind of light like, and he moves perfect. Well, y'all, that guy sits upright just right. He wobbles like we want him to. He's a perfect topwater bait. He creates a lot of movement on the top of the water. And I just love how he turned out. I really want to say again, I appreciate each and every one of you. And if you want to enter the giveaway to win this topwater bait, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.